Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to boot from a USB on a Dell laptop. I have Ubuntu in this flash drive, so if you want to boot from a USB flash drive, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that on a Dell laptop. Now first of all, you have to plug in your flash drive to your USB port and click on the power button, and you have to click on the F12 button so that it will take you to the boot menu. During post, click on F12. As you can see right here, we are now in the boot menu. It has found my flash drive. I'm going to click on it. Well, if you have a password, if you have admin password set up on your BIOS, it's going to ask for a password. So let me put in the password right now. Click on enter. And as you can see right here, it has boot. It has boot from the USB. As you can see right here, Ubuntu. So that's how you boot from a USB on a Dell laptop. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.